Yeah, pull him in. Yeah, baby! I guess, welcome to J Bass. J Bass will probably be the name of this channel. I'm out here with my dad, and we're about to go striped bass fishing. We might even get to a point where we can see the city. Well, it depends on how far we end up going. Yeah, it wasn't hard.
Just gotta hop up there.
Yep.
Take that seat out. Turn the battery.
There's water in here.
What do you mean?
In the boat.
Weird.
Yeah, it's shallow. I don't know if you're gonna be good here. You think? Yeah, you probably.
Back it up some more.
Yeah.
Plenty of more to back it up.
Yeah.
I just wanted to get a look.
Yeah.
A little different than
Oh, it gets real deep right after. Now it got cold, so I have a shice deal on. There's a guy in a parasail up there.
We're at the inlet right now.
Yeah, that's true.
I got a life jacket.
This is f***ing absurd. This is the dumbest shit I've ever seen.
Okay.
Alright. Just throw it in the water, I guess.
You go ahead, you do.
Alright, take the boat over. Hey, give me that.
25 feet!
Alright, he said go like 2 miles west of Gilgo. Oh, look at the Blackhawks. You see the 3 Blackhawks?
Yeah. Just to go west?
Keep working west.
Yeah, keep working west.
30 feet!
Look for birds.
I see birds!
Uh-oh, uh-oh.
Oh, I said we got something!
I don't know if we do or not.
That's action on the road!
I don't know if it's a fish or not. It might have just bounced off the bottom and I felt like it.
Oh, wouldn't that be great if you was on the phone? No, they look really cool.
That's good.
Yeah, I think it was just bouncing off the bottom because it felt like it felt like it was getting bit. Come on, baby.
Come on, baby.
I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is.
Are you serious?
I don't know. I don't think it's anything, but I might have picked something up. I'm gonna drop my phone. I know there's not gonna be any fish on there, but there's definitely something on there because it's not swimming right and it feels heavy as shit. Yeah, there is a fish. I caught a fish.
Is it a striper?
No, it's like a. Is that what it is?
No, it doesn't.
Oh, he's gonna die. Look at the hook.
He's not a porgy.
It's a bait fish. I hooked a bait fish right through his fucking head.
Caught something. Take a picture of it.
Great track.
Yeah, we gotta get him back in the water. I don't know how the fuck I'm gonna. Here, put this in here.
Hey, we're not going home empty-handed.
That's true. That was heavy as shit. I can't imagine if I catch a big striper.
That's funny.
I picked him up.
I'm like, yeah, there's something on there. All right, we're at 27.
Yeah. I'm trying to get back on the ground. There we go. Oh! 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 It's pulling too much drag. I can't even reel. There it goes.
He's gonna come towards us.
Come on, baby. No, it's not reeling. He's pulling me too hard. Oh, baby.
Right, take it easy.
Oh, yeah.
Take it easy.
This thing's gonna fuck, man. Come on, baby. I don't know. You're asking the wrong person. You didn't bring it.
No, it was in the boat.
Was it really?
Don't even tell me we lost it while we were driving.
That would suck.
I don't know how we're gonna get this in the boat. Holy shit, John.
Woo! It's big. Whatever it is, it's big. Woo! Duh. Uh-oh. Come on, man. Where's this? Turn the boat, turn the boat.
Rod's holding up?
I hope so. I don't know if I still got it. I don't know if I still got it. I think whatever it is off.
Probably swimming towards us.
That's possible, but...
Turn the boat around.
But what, no, I don't know. I don't think so. I think I'm... Uh-oh. I don't know. Fucking line's taking forever to come in though. Oh.
I don't think you have it. I don't know where the fuck it is.
There's something on there. Not yet. He's getting close. He's getting close. Oh yeah, Dad.
Can't reel anymore.
Dad. Look at this fucking thing.
All right, bring it over, bring it over. Oh,
I got a glove, I got a glove. You gotta get the hook though.
you got to get it inside the gill.
Yeah, well, no, in his mouth. I don't want to get hooked. I want to get in his mouth.
Yeah. Look out.
Yeah, pull him in. Yeah, baby! Let's fucking go! Let's fucking did it! Yeah, baby! Let's fucking go! There he is!
Oh, shit! Fuck yeah!
There he is, baby! Stop fucking playing! There he is!
Oh my god! Get down there!
Oh! Woo! Let's fucking go, baby! Woo!
We got ourselves
That
a fucking striper!
Woo! Dude, that thing was heavy as a motherfucker!
32
Woo!
33 inches! Are you sure that size is
It was 20. It was lowest 28, biggest 35.
Woo!
Oh man! I'm gonna go back and look one more time. Slide size 28, 35.
That's 33!
Let's fucking go! Oh shit!
That's 33, baby!
Let's fucking
That's a
go.
keeper! Oh my god! Oh, we don't have to stay out till it's dark.
No, hell no, we don't.
Well, good thing I didn't take the boat out of the fucking shrink wrapper. Holy smokes!
I think Pot's got one on now. Pulling it.
There he is.
You see him?
Yep.
Oh yeah.
There he is, baby.
There goes the waves. So Pop just saw a whale out there, and he caught a striped bass, a little bit smaller, but we didn't get it. I didn't get it on the video because the GoPro died. But I got Snapchats of it. We're about to get the line.
There it is again. There it is again. See it? It just went down again. It was in the sunlight.
Yeah, the sun blocked it. I couldn't see it with the sun.
It's gonna come back up again. Holy shit.
Yeah, that's incredible.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
There it is.
Holy shit, bro! What?
What the fuck is that?
That's either a really big dolphin or a whale. That sure as hell. I think so. It should have. I was looking right at it.
Told you.
Unless the sun blasted it. That's amazing.
He's it out, keep it there, it'll come up again.
There he is.
There he is.
Woo-hoo!
What is
That's a whale. It blew air out the roof. That's a humpback, I think. It's a small whale, but it's definitely a whale. How deep are we right now?
32.
All right, I'm gonna drop this in. 2 stripers so far.
There it is again.
Oh yeah, that's a big. Oh yeah.
Oh,
Wow.
did you see that?
That's fucking unreal. That's amazing, dude. I'm just gonna pull it in, check on it.
How big was mine?
I don't know, did you measure it?
Yeah, it was 2 inches too short.
Oh, so 28 is too much, so 26.
Wow, what a fucking day.
Dad! 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 Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh my god, Dad! This one's gonna be bigger than the first one.
That's not good.
Oh yeah.
I wish I think it was around me.
Oh yeah. This one's fighting. Oh, this one's fighting.
It's a whale.
Yeah, that's what I was just thinking. I think he's got to be bigger than the first one. I can hear the line going ding, 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 ding. Oh. 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 Woo. Woo. Oh yeah, he's fighting hard.
There it is. I think I got it.
Oh, damn. This is fucking crazy. Oh yeah.
It is, I got him.
Oh. Where is this fish? Oh, I need a break. This one is big. Oh, here it comes, Dad. Get ready. Oh, he might not be that big. No, he really isn't that big at all. Or do I have 2? No, I only have 1.
Oh.
I thought for a second. Oh, he is big. Yo, he's a fucking big boy. Grab him.
You got him on the shorter one.
Yeah. Get him in. Oh, yeah. Baby. Striper number 2. Let's go. Woo! Oh, wow.
20, 29.
Yes, sir.
29.30. That's a keeper?
Yeah, yeah.
Done.
And that's it. We did it.
Got a lot of things to say. A lot of requests.
Oh, sorry. But I just want to get you your dinner in there. Let's fucking go. Alright, we can go home now. Check it out.
Oh, you need a bigger knife.
Yeah, definitely. Keep her in. There she is. She's coming home for dinner. I'm not going to eat it because I don't eat fish. I'm allergic. But that's going to be it for us. I'm going to get this thing off so y'all can hear me. So we're calling it there. 3 fish total. 1 a keeper. Saw some whale sightings. Hopefully that's on video. And hopefully y'all enjoyed this. This is going to be the first video as on my fishing channel with my dad out here on the boat catching big stripers. So I hope you guys liked it. Check out the next video if there is one on the fishing channel, because it'll probably be on a kayak. But take care, peace out.